Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to post on REDnote. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote app. Now to post over here, on the bottom you can see here is plus icon. Just tap on this and over here you can select your videos as well as your audio. For now, I'll select one of my video over here. And now you can see this is my video over here. And after selecting this video, on the bottom right you can see here is next. Just tap on this and over here you can see this is the video which I have selected. Now as it is already edited, I'll tap on next. And now over here we can add our title. For now I'll give this title says video. And also we can add our description. For now I'll use this only as this video. And now to post this video, on the top right you can find here is post. Just tap on this and you can see it's uploading. As soon as it is uploaded, it will be automatically posted. And now over here you can see this is the video which I recently posted on REDnote. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.